WP Engine Pros and Cons. Before we get to the main part of our review, here are the key WP Engine pros and cons. Pros: fast load times, good uptime, ability to handle spikes in traffic, user-friendly account dashboard, easy to get started, good value for premium hosting, premium WordPress themes, currently offering 4 months free with a discount code. Cons: expensive compared with shared hosting. Some features are paid extras. No phone support on entry-level plan. As you can see, WP Engine gets a lot right. The only real drawback is it costs significantly more than cheap, shared hosting, but, as you'll learn in the rest of this WP Engine review, you do get a lot more for your money. You can also get 4 months free by using our WP Engine discount code. If you just want to know if you should sign up with WP Engine, in most cases, the answer is yes. There are other hosts out there offering a similar package for a similar price, such as Flywheel and Kinsta, but, if you sign up with WP Engine, you won't be disappointed. If you want to know more before making a decision, read on. About WP Engine Managed WordPress Hosting. WP Engine may not have been the first to offer managed WordPress hosting. That honor actually goes to Pagely. But it's now the biggest, and best known, company in the managed WordPress hosting sector. With more than 120,000 customers in 140 countries, WP Engine certainly has heaps of experience hosting a huge variety of WordPress sites. In fact, according to its marketing materials, 5% of the online world visits at least one experience on WP Engine each day. The WP Engine website boasts some impressive stats on its services. By offering high-performance hosting environments specifically optimized for WordPress websites, while also taking care of many of the ongoing tasks necessary to run a stable and secure WordPress website. WP Engine is a strong contender for anyone who needs more than regular low-cost web hosts can deliver. But does WP Engine really live up to all of the marketing hype? Is it worth the extra cost? Let's dive in. Why consider WP Engine? Here's a quick overview of the most important features of the hosting plans. The WP Engine Managed WordPress Hosting Plans. The plans certainly check all of the right boxes, but let's have a look at exactly what you get with WP Engine. 1. A hosting environment optimized for WordPress websites. 2. A hosting infrastructure powered by Google Cloud. 3. A choice of StudioPress WordPress themes. 4. Automatic WordPress software updates. 5. Automated daily WordPress website backups. 6. Website development and staging environments. 7. Ability to create transferable sites for clients. WP Engine Customer User Experience. As you can see, WP Engine offers customers a good range of useful features. Thankfully, its service is also extremely easy to use. If you're new to WordPress, you should be able to have your site set up and accessible online in very little time. If you're a more advanced user, you'll be pleased with the easy-to-access technical features and tools. Creating a WordPress website is very straightforward with WP Engine. In fact, the WP Engine experience is much more user-friendly than most of the shared hosting services that are aimed at beginners. Using the features, such as the backups and staging environments, is very straightforward. Thanks to the well-designed account area on the WP Engine site, you can access everything through an intuitive dashboard. The support team is only ever a click away too, and, in my experience, is really helpful and responsive. The WP Engine website is packed with in-depth documentation and guides to help you to master every aspect of this host. Many tasks, such as enabling the CDN, can be quickly carried out through the WP Engine user portal. WP Engine has done a fantastic job of making its service accessible to anyone who's new to WordPress, without dumbing down the experience in a way that could alienate more technical users. However you want to use WordPress, WP Engine can accommodate you. WP Engine is extremely easy to use, and ideal for both new and experienced WordPress users. Web hosting performance. One of the main reasons to choose premium managed WordPress hosting over cheaper options is the potential decrease in website loading times, as well as the ability to accommodate more simultaneous visitors without the performance of your website suffering. Fewer instances of website downtime is another important factor. WP Engine certainly promotes itself as able to deliver a high-performance hosting service, but is that really the case? Let's find out by looking at the loading times of our test websites hosted by WP Engine, as well as its ability to handle multiple visitors at the same time. Loading time test results. WP Engine performed well in all of our performance tests. Because all websites are different, we created 2 test sites for this review. The first was built using a lightweight WordPress theme, while the second was created with a feature-rich multi-purpose theme. The 2 sites were monitored using the Pingdom service, with the loading times recorded every 30 minutes over a period of 7 days. Here are the results. 7-day speed test results with a lightweight theme. 2020 is a good example of a lightweight WordPress theme. 2020 is a popular free WordPress theme. It's a lightweight option that's in use on more than 1 million WordPress websites, making it a good candidate for testing how quickly WP Engine can deliver a website using a basic theme. If you plan on using this theme, or a similar option, here are the loading times you may experience with WP Engine. The average load time for the WordPress website using the lightweight theme was 246 milliseconds. Our test site using the lightweight theme hosted by WP Engine was very fast. At around a quarter of a second, WP Engine was able to deliver impressive loading times that were much faster than the results from our comparison of the Bluehost.